Hello and welcome to another episode of Let's Set the Table. I am your host, the real Princess P, and we did this vlog style. I went out with my godmother, we got a couple things, and we used what she had and we put the whole thing together. This is traditional Christmas style, so 'tis the season. Enjoy. Let me know what you think, of course. And you done know, so we have to big up all of the real ones. Big up the real ones. You done know, say real recognize real in a real life. So I made it to pick up some stuff to adjust this table. You're gonna see the end result, but we're in one of the most wonderful places, Dollarama. Won't you come? People really underestimate Dollarama, you know. Don't worry, I'm gonna put it together and you're gonna see how cost effective can look really beautiful. Oh, they said she broke a record in the dollar store today. She never spent so much time in a dollar store. It's okay. There's a first time for everything. No, if you come with shopping with me, trust me, we're shopping all day. I make sure that all my things are done. My children are taken care of. Because I'm out at the dollar stores until they close. They gotta kick me out, okay? $2 Ramas and $1 Tree later, we're done. I'm gonna take up all the stuff that I brought and all the stuff that we bought and put this table together. Wow, outside will shame you. Outside would really shame you, like you've been outside from morning good night. It's only 6:30. Like, come on.
And light come down on us. And we live in bright sunlight.
Yeah, that make things look bad. It's not so bad. From the morning till the night time, we will always sing Dollarama. So here are some things that I got from the dollar store, and I'm gonna use them to add pizzazz to our table while also using the things that we already have to add pizzazz to the table. I love these reindeers from Dollarama. They're here this year, they were there last year, and they're so cute. You can dress them in so many different ways. You can paint them, you can add ribbon to them, you can glitterize them. It's so cute. They're actually really heavy, and mine has taken a fall or two and it has not cracked or broken. Not to say that it won't, just to say that it hasn't. FYI. I love this little idea of the acorns in a vase. Now, I was struggling, obviously, because the size was off and I wasn't sure, am I going to put the battery pack on the inside? Am I going to put it on the outside? By the end of it, I worked it out though. Now, I wanted to do something different for my napkins, so I created these kind of napkin rings from the artificial poinsettias that was on this kind of ring of 3, and I put them on some ribbon, and I'm going to use that to wrap my napkin. ran out of red, so I had to improvise. There are different ways that you can create a bow, but this is how I just created my bow, very simply. And I wanted it to be a big bow. It is a larger piece of napkin, but I also wanted to keep that size. And I just folded it basically like an envelope and then just tied the ribbon around it. And it turned out so pretty with your poinsettia in the center. And all that's left is to put it all together, me and my little helper. And voila, there you have it. We are ready to eat.
It's not all allowance.
It's fine.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. That is beautiful.
Like it?
I love it. Wow. Very nice. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Ooh. Wow. Beautiful. Go get your mom.
And voila, this is what it looks like. We're ready to eat, partake on a beautiful table. And it's such a beautiful presentation when you walk into the house, when you walk into the room, to see your table set. It's so beautiful. So I am done. I am home. I really enjoyed doing that table for my godmother. She loved it. She absolutely loved it. There were some things that she thought she was gonna have based on my table, but it didn't suit her table. You gotta, some things you love, but it's not always for your design, You gotta let the creative be creative, please. Just trust me. You're gonna love it. Anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for viewing this vlog. Holla at your girl. Real recognize real. Big up all my real ones. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. It's the Real Princey. Bye.
Right, yeah, babe. I can put you on a flight. You know that a nigga like me can change your life, oh, babe.